Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. Different setup today. Y'all would not believe what I've been through today. This video is story time. Okay, I have been making crafts for years and years. Decided to make my channel like in May, and I started doing videos. Well, my last four videos, epic fails. So I said, you know what? I don't like putting out videos where I don't accomplish the final goal. So I'm just going to start, doing videos on stuff I know how to do or things that I try that are decent, maybe need improvements, but a finished product that someone, might be able to follow along with or do and, get something out of it. Well, last week I started doing totes and jean purses. I've done like 3 of them so far. I was like, okay, cool. The first one, my first purse, crappy. I end up going back, fixing on it, and great. Ugh. And I end up going back, adding a liner to it, and neating up the handles and all that. Second one, reversible purse. The handles lopsided. I was hot. I was tired. Didn't measure right. My tote, I got a reversible tote. Ended up good. You'll see it on my community tab on my YouTube channel. It's a bumblebee on one side, and then on the other side it's like patterns of different vegetables and stuff. My aunt's birthday is tomorrow, July 5th. She loves Dallas Cowboys. Don't know why, but whatever, to each their own. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna make her a tote. I went to Hobby Lobby, got all the stuff. I was like, oh, it's gonna be perfect. I got it down packed. I know what to do. This, that, and the other. And I'm gonna be a little fancy with it and everything and do like multicolors and this and that. Got to my warehouse about 11:15, 11:30. I started making it. I started doing a video, follow along, update about what I'm gonna start doing on the channel, how I'm gonna start doing, projects that I actually complete and everything. Start doing follow along and everything, showing different parts of what I was doing to make the bag. I had just about finished. I had just reversed it, sewed it, had the lining inside out, had just pulled the bag through. All I had to do is close it up and iron it, and it's complete. When I flipped it inside out, I'm like, why is these edges all jacked up? I sewed the freaking lining backwards, so it looked like garbage. And I'm like, are you serious? So, this lining here, the blue, is the two-sided kind. Like either side could be the front, either side could be the back. So, this confused me. And when I went to sew it around, then I didn't realize that it was backwards, that the pocket was on the outside and this piece was on top of it. And when I sewed all the way around, all the frayed edge, when I turned it inside out, was on the side with the lining, the pocket and all that. So it looked real crappy inside. So it's the pocket and then all these frayed edges. I'm like, are you serious? I ain't never almost cried before doing a project. Tears were about to flow, but the sweat beat them. I was freaking hot. I was drinking on a warm diet soda, and I was pissed. I was like, are you serious? About 4 hours in, I realized this. I'm like, this is some bull. I said, I refuse to scrap this. No way. Her birthday's tomorrow. She getting this purse. So what I did was I got a piece of gray, another piece of gray. I had sewed this pocket in this one. This has a double pocket I made. One pocket, two pocket. Got another piece of gray fabric. Stuck it in here, and I folded it, and I sewed it all the way around and sandwiched all the frayed edges. I have boxed the corners. At the bottom, it's kind of frayed. I had to try to cover that up so the box corners aren't really all that boxed anymore. But I hope she likes it because I was not about to scrap that. I have never been so pissed before in my whole entire life. It's ridiculous. Oh, it was crazy. But y'all, I'm going to redeem myself. I'm going to make another one of these bags to perfection. Also, a couple of things. I used some really thick sew-in fusible, stabilizer. It's too thick. This is super thick. I want a cushion, but this is really, really thick. And then also, I'm going to make sure I never, ever, ever in life use a double piece of fabric where either side could be the front or the back, because that confused the crap out of me. That confused the crap out of me. I couldn't. Ugh. But y'all, I hope she likes it. She's right there. I came to my mom's house to drop it off for her. She's been out and about today. They're finna get ready to watch fireworks and all that, and I'm finna head home. But she's finna head out of town tomorrow for a day or two, and I wanted her to take her bag, so. Y'all, that's one side. That's the other side. And I even added a little clasp. I hate these suckers. I stabbed myself with that needle I don't know how many times. But it's functional. Y'all know me and functionality. But that's all I got, y'all. If y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Yes, shameless plug, and I will talk to you later. Bye.